Alright, Chuck said to do my 30-second whatever, so.
Whatever, we had chili cook-off and Jeff's
Hey,
house.
this is Chris Jackson.
We had chili cook-off at Jeff's house today, and he won because he was the only one that competed.
Yeah,
And,
I was the only one.
But he won. It was because of good chili. It was really good cheese. I would have put it at least 67 out of 100. Somewhere up there.
Hey, that's I'll take it, man.
You know, it was good stuff. That's kind of.
So yeah, we built a shed. Garage.
We
for
built
me.
us a building. Holy Ghost
It's
building.
it's pretty much about done, really.
Well, it's there. It's done in the dried in area.
Yeah, we got.
It's dried in like you would frame, right?
Yeah,
You get
so
the
like
roof on it, and you get
we got
the
the-
walls done, and it was a good burp.
yeah, so 16 by 16
It's
building.
a good sized building, right?
It's gonna have a front 8 foot by 7 foot garage door,
Yeah.
and then
3
a
foot by 8
door
foot
to the right of it to go in.
on a regular
Deadbolt.
basis.
Yeah. Nice little shop. It's gonna be really, really fun. At least I can get my
He's gonna
motors inside
Yeah, he's
instead
gonna do a
of.
motorboat show, so that's what's gonna happen. He's
Gonna
gonna run
have
his own
some
motorboat show from the inside of his shop.
I'm gonna have some motorboat.
You put a green screen all around it. Fake the inside green.
Yeah.
So you
then-
got the red green show going on.
Yeah, dude.
Let's watch Red Green show. That's the good stuff. You ever watch Red Green?
Yeah, yeah.
It's like, oh, we'll fix it this way. What if I can rubber band around it and
Yeah.
put some duct tape on it? If that won't fix it, then it's not probably worth fixing.
Yeah. Definitely duct
Duct
tape.
tape.
Duct tape.
Some
is-
silicone on it, some duct tape, some super glue. And
Chris used to be in a band called Duct Tape.
yes, but duct tapist was a very well duct taped band. We
It
even
was
had a microphone stand that was duct taped together for the first microphone stand.
covered all the seams.
Yeah, well, it was made out of a board and bottom part of a stand and a mic. That was it.
Well, it worked. That's
it
awesome.
Was, it was the only mic we had, and it was on the boom. We made out of tape and sticks. But it was all good. For real,
We have stories for days.
we wrote songs
Wow.
for 6 months being together. We wrote 60 songs.
Wow.
That's like 10 songs every 10 days or something. Really weird. Bad now.
You can write a lot of punk songs though.
We wrote like funky, punk, jazz, country.
But I'm just saying, punk songs are usually pretty easy to do.
Yeah, those are fast.
Very fast, a lot of screaming.
2.5 minutes, so you gotta write like 20 of them to get a whole set.
Exactly. That's so true, man. It's like, what did he say? Go with it, man.
We're
It's
at
all good.
18 and we're not even done yet.
Oh, that's hilarious.
We got 45 minutes left. We were at song 10.
So you're drinking the old Pine Pilsner
Miller Lite.
Miller,
It's a Pilsner and the other's a lager.
and this is the IPA at Sweetwater.
Oh man, I'm so tired of that Sweetwater stuff. But, you know, they did give me a lot of free beer for playing their shows at their place.
Sweetwater.
Yeah, they gave me cases of beer.
Is that are they really?
Yeah, we would play.
Downtown Nashville?
We played in Atlanta, in Sweetwater.
Oh, I was thinking about bong water. We used to call it bong water.
Oh, that's spring water.
Spring water.
Yeah. Yeah, that's different. No, you didn't get free beer there.
Yeah, you can't because
You
you
didn't get
gotta
no free
it
beer.
there.
You can get paid. So
But no, then you're
just-
lucky.
shit show. It was bad.
That was the place
I
where
will play there again.
Tiger was playing, and the guy in the wheelchair kept,
Run
haggling.
around haggling.
Yeah, and finally he's like, "Hey, buddy, I just want to tell you you're really annoying."
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we laughed.
Yeah, exactly.
He kept going back and forth in front of the stage.
Tiger.
Hey. Was he trying to give requests or
Yeah,
whatever he was doing?
something annoying.
It was pretty funny.
And Tiger finally told him what he thought.
Yeah, he did.
And
Like,
that's
hey,
funny.
buddy, what do you say? I know you're just as annoying as from the front of the room as the back of the room.
Right.
administration. Mr. Obama added his signature to the 21st Century Storage Act.
Ain't so bad, huh?
You
fit right in there, didn't it?
All right, I got Dave Wheeler here. He showed up too. What's happening?
What's going on? I dare ask what that is.
That
It's like a camera.
That's the camera. It's a GoPro.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah.
Oh, isn't that awesome?
Yeah. So
Very cool.
anyway, long time
Yeah.
buddy
It's
here.
good to see you.
Merry Christmas, Dave.
Merry Christmas. Good to see
Anyway,
you.
kind of throwing some chili at him.
Oh yeah.
He can maybe he can fart Christy right out of the bed.
Oh, I don't think ain't no thinking about it. Ain't no maybe about it.
That's
That's
terrible.
the-
I'm sorry, Christy. I didn't mean
That's
it.
the,
I won't ever show
That's
this.
that's the bonus.
Dave Wheeler in the house.
That is the bonus.
Yeah, you can sit over there.
Oh, here.
Here.
He's gonna videotape.
You want more
No, no,
crackers?
it's fine. There's some more.
Oh man, I get crazy with the
Corn
crackers.
chips are good for this stuff too.
He's got everything you can think of in this.
Yeah, easy. Did a little update. They got the door in. We're working on a garage door right now. Maybe we'll get some light. It's freezing. It's like 20 degrees out here. We ain't too bright for doing this. What do you think there, Skippy?
What?
What do you think?
Doing all right? This board up here is gonna hold this up for us. It's gonna be all right.
Really?
We might have to reinforce it later, but we'll get this over up.
Well,
That's what's up.
get a little extra light on the subject.
Here it helps.
There we go. Anyway, yeah, so it's looking pretty good. Got the house wrap on. So we got the doors on. Just can't see it. Well, that board's in the way. Anyway, got the door up. Got the garage door kind of on. It's still got some work we got to do to it. It's up. But yeah, it's up. Got the house wrapped. So now, and we got all the vinyl yesterday. So now I'm just ready to put the vinyl on. And yeah, and the soffit or whatever, how far we can get today. This is probably our last day. Just 'cause Christmas and everything, and so yeah, it's looking great.
Got a big old garage in here, man.
It's a big old garage. It's gonna be a nice little workshop. And after Christmas, I'll figure out how I want to lay it out for benches and workbenches and all that. Anyway, I'll do a quick update. It's pretty cool. There's the back, and just take a walk around real quick. It's a lot of work. Anyway, wrap maybe it looks a little janky, but it's going to do its job just fine. This is wrapped all the way around. Chris is trying to figure out our deal to get the vinyl started. So anyway,